Hey, paranormal enthusiasts! Ready to dive into a cosmic mystery that blends science and the supernatural? Buckle up. In the year 2154, Earth became a hub of interstellar exploration. But one legend persisted, the tale of the veil. This ancient myth claimed that during rare cosmic events, the barrier between the living and the dead thinned, allowing human spirits to connect with extraterrestrial beings. Enter Dr. Laila Chen, an astrophysicist captivated by this cosmic mystery. While analyzing data from a black hole merger, she discovered an eerie, melodic resonance. This frequency coincided with a rare cosmic alignment occurring every 500 years. Could it be a bridge between human souls and alien consciousness? Driven by curiosity, Laila amplified the resonance and witnessed luminous images and disembodied voices. To her astonishment, the echoes were from both human souls and an alien intelligence, the Zelthar. They warned of an impending cosmic storm threatening both worlds. Laila rallied humanity and, with the Zelthar's help, created a protective barrier. The veil wasn't just a bridge, it was a symbol of our interconnectedness. Wisdom transcended existence, echoing through the cosmos, uniting us all. Stay curious, my friends.